These aren't just facts, they're the hidden truths about your mind, your heart, and your life, and they'll change how you see everything.
Find 3 hobbies. 1 to make you money, 1 to keep you in shape, and 1 to keep you creative. When you fall in love with someone's personality, everything about that individual becomes beautiful. Pain makes you stronger. Tears make you braver. Heartbreak make you wiser. So thank the past for a better future. Spending at least 60 minutes in conversation with someone you care about an hour before bed can really help you sleep peacefully. No matter how much time passes, you always remember how you and the person you truly care about started talking. There are 2 types of pain in this world: pain that hurts you and pain that changes you. A wise man will never tell a woman to things his true feelings and his balance account. Morning people are happier and more satisfied with life overall than night owls. Psychologically, it is impossible to be just friends with someone you have fallen in love with. You are more likely to be easily attracted to someone you have no chance with. If you are in love with someone, you won't be interested in someone else. If you are, then you are not in love. Use your voice for kindness, your ears for compassion, your hands for charity, your mind for truth, and your heart for love. Lazy people accomplish more. Their laziness actually enables them to find the easiest and quickest ways to get things done. Care will be in heart and not in the words. Anger will be in words and not in the heart. If you don't learn from your mistakes, you will end up learning your mistakes, and that is something even more complicated. Some situations require silence even if you ever know an answer. Don't live with the attitude, "I cannot do everything," because it will prevent you from doing what you can. Forcing things doesn't make them happen faster. Things happen at the right time for the right reason. Sometimes you need someone to hurt you deep enough to let you know that you were with the wrong one. Learn and move on. You can be replaced at any time, therefore you should watch your back and know when you are ready to move on. Good times are good memories, and bad times are good lessons. Both times help us in some way. Females feel pain more frequently than males, but their tolerance is better than males. Females take longer to make decisions than males do, but once they make a decision, they are more likely to stick to it. Females deal with stress by joining or socializing with others, whereas males love to fly away or get into fight with others. Most people don't actually want the best version of you. They want the version of you that best serves them. People start hating you when they cannot control you. The child of a couple in their 30s tends to find older faces more attractive than a child born to parents in their 20s. If you can't stop your stream of thoughts at night, get up and write them down. Make a promise to your brain you will think about it in the morning. This will set your mind at ease so you can sleep. Research shows that just thinking about a plan can make it less likely that you will achieve plan. No relationship is perfect. Every relationship has its ups and downs. The ones who make it through everything are the ones really in love. 1 out of 4 men love to spend their loose change on Chinese takeaway. Sometimes you have to do what's best for you and your life, not what's best for everybody else. The average high school kid today has the same level of anxiety as the average psychiatric patient in the early. Girls learn to talk and use sentences earlier, and learn to read more rapidly than boys.